Hey guys, so today I have got BAM Horror to show you. This is the December 2021 box. Obviously I'm in the UK and this is an American box, so it does get to me way later than everyone else, which is a little annoying, but hopefully you've not already seen someone else's unboxing of it. So like I said, this was the December 2021 box, and the themes for this box, which I thought were amazing, literally my dream lineup, which made me want to get it, are Gremlins, Child's Play, Scream and Nosferatu. So Child's Play, Scream and Gremlins are like three of my high up there favourite horror films. This was like 100% I was getting this box, and honestly I don't love it that much. I'm pretty disappointed. I know a lot of people did like this one, but something about BAM Horror just kind of misses the mark for me. So the Nosferatu items were the pins. Now granted I did get two, so that's pretty nice. So there is this one, and there is also this one, which I think I prefer. So that is our enamel pins for the month. Like I said, nice that there's two of them. I do appreciate that. Then next we have our Scream item, and honestly, I didn't feel like they could go wrong with this. If it was an autograph, that was going to be incredible. If it was like a Scream mask, that would have been amazing. But it is just a badge. Like I say, I know a lot of people really liked this. It's just not my thing. It's like a little sheriff's badge. I'll get it out so you can see it better. The quality is really, really good. These are like heavy, full metal items. There's two of them. So there's this one that says Woodsboro Police. And then there's this one that says Deputy Riley. So they are super well made. Like I said, really, really weighty. But just, I don't really know what I'm ever going to do with that. To me, a Scream mask or autograph or pretty much anything like that would have maybe been better than this. But yeah, that is our Scream item anyway. Then next we have our artist card for the month. I never really keep these, honestly. It's just like a little fan card. And this one is Mr. Chuckleteeth from the X-Files, apparently. It's pretty creepy, I guess. But I just never keep those. So there is that. Then we have our Child's Play item, which means Gremlins is the signature this month. So we got a print of Child's Play. Again, not massively my thing. I have seen some other people unbox this and they really loved this. It must be like quite a well-known person that's done it. And it is cute. It's made to look like sort of a voodoo doll, but it's just not something that I would put up, honestly. It's signed over here, which is cute. It's got a little authenticity thing. It is cute, just not my kind of thing. It's number 189 out of 500. So there is that. And then like I said, that leaves Gremlins, which is our autograph. I didn't expect it to be this autograph, if I'm honest. It is actually by the director of the film. There was quite a few different print options, and again, I feel like I got the worst one. I got the Christmas one. There was a creepy one with Stripe on it. There was one where he doesn't have a Christmas hat on. There was one where he's coming out of the box. There was loads of different ones. I got the Christmassy one, but still really cool though. Definitely my favourite item in the box. I will be keeping this. It's signed by Joe Dante, who is the director. They did put a little like featured celebrity card in here for who signed it. So it says, known for Gremlins, The Howling and Small Soldiers director, but they've actually put the wrong name on it. It says Teddy Sears. It's definitely not Teddy Sears, as you can see from the autograph. So a bit of a weird mistake to make, I feel like, but still really cool though. I feel like this fan box is starting to do to me what Fright Crate did to me and kind of gave good themes and not great items. I know a lot of people are going to disagree with that and love the stuff in here, but it's just not for me. The only thing I really care about is this autograph. So I will quickly go back over everything again so you can see it all at once. So we've got our Joe Dante Gremlins director autograph. We have the Child's Play little voodoo print, 2 Nosferatu pins, enamel pins, the little artist card, and the Deputy Riley Scream prop replica, like pin items. So this was everything in the December BAM horror box. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one. I might just be kind of being too hard on it. Maybe the Gremlins autograph was super expensive for them to get and it kind of like took away from the budget of the other things or something. So yeah, I'm not sure I will get another BAM box for quite a while just because they are so expensive and I never really loved them. You'll have to let me know what you thought of it. If you like watching these videos, maybe I will get them again sometime soon, but you'll have to let me know. So I hope you liked the video anyway. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.